hasn't started yet.
We had a front row seat last year. I don't have to be that close this year.
Are you excited about it?
We were so close, we had
It has
flaming
not
debris falling down.
started.
He's doing something over there.
You guys
Hello,
have another
Nathaniel here, and this is the 4th of July video. Didn't do it yesterday, but today is the 4th of July. Whoa, look at that.
Wow! Oh, that was awesome.
Hey guys, you want to come down this way a
You
little
come
bit?
down this way, the tree
Oh,
will
we
be in
can,
your
yeah.
way.
Happy 4th of July.
There you go.
Seth, come here.
We're in Venetian Gardens at the medical center, and we're waiting for the fireworks.
Oh, cool!
Seth, stay with us.
You can see them.
Christian, remember when we said
Come here, Seth.
Cool!
Excuse me. Whoa, look at that.
Look at the green one.
It's another one doing fireworks.
Whoa!
I like the orange. It's all in the chemistry.
it is all in the
So,
chemistry.
you like it so far, Uncle Damien?
Yeah, it's great. There's one of those orange cheeses.
My favorite are the pink and rainbow colors ones there. Those are cool too. The green ones are really
Yeah, they split.
like the sky's green. No, no. That's red.
Look at that.